EVA SP6 is a complete and entirely digital system. This video process is introduced by Mark Dovister, manager of Euromi company.
Bonjour et bienvenue. Je suis Marc Dovister, directeur d'Euromi. Euromi est une société belge exportatrice active dans le secteur de la dermatologie, de la médecine esthétique et de la chirurgie plastique. Dans un souci constant d'améliorer la qualité de nos services et de notre support, nous vous proposons cette vidéo, vous permettant d'optimiser l'utilisation de l'EVA SP6. Ce film vous guidera à travers les étapes d'installation, de fonctionnement, d'entretien et de sécurité de ce système. Bon film!
EVA SP6 is designed for safe liposculpture by using the NIL technique. EVA SP6 is provided with a suitcase containing all the accessories required for the operation and the maintenance of the unit. Accessories are classified in 4 categories. The category supplies includes a power cable, an air source cable, an infusion stand. The category control includes 2 pedals. The category delivery includes air tubing, fat tubing, perfusion line, infiltration tubing. The category collection includes 2 jars for fat collection, 2 canisters for fat collection. Please read carefully the user manual before using the machine. Supply accessories assembling. First, connect the cable to power supply. Systems are designed to operate on all kinds of power supplies. Connect the air source cable to the machine. Screw the infusion stand. Connect the other end of the air cable to a medical air source. Control accessories assembling. Connect both pedals to the machine. They have the same function and can be placed at a location of your convenience. Collection accessories assembling. Place the collection jar on the side rail of the EVA SP6. Connect the silicone tube to the white conical connector under the canister stand. Place the canister inside the jar. Snap the canister lid on the jar by supporting it from the bottom. Connect the red tube to the central nozzle of the lid. Repeat the operation for the second canister. Delivery accessories assembling. Open the sliding syringe lock and lift up the push syringe. Infiltration tubings must be placed before switching on the unit. Place the base of the syringe in the slot of the syringe holder by inserting the base of the piston in the slot of the push syringe at the same time. Gently push the syringes in the slot. Close the sliding syringe lock. Check that the 3-way stopcock manifold is accessible. Tubing must be clear and pointing up. Place the tumescent solution bags on the infusion stand. Close the infiltration stopcocks. Spike tumescent solution bags. Connect the tubing to the tumescent solution bags. Screw an infiltration cannula on the lipomatic. Be careful not to cross-treat or force the cannula. Connect the lure connector of the perfusion line to the cannula. Connect the other end to the infiltration tubing. Connect the air tubing securely to the in and out lipomatic connectors. Connect securely the other end of the air tubing to EVA SP6 in and out connectors. Switch on the EVA SP6. Select the infiltration mode. Select pedal or continuous mode. Pedal mode allows the practitioner to start and to stop the system by pushing and releasing the pedal. In continuous mode, push once on the pedal to start the system continuously, push again to stop it. Adjust the air pressure. Pressure by default is 1.6 bar. The recommended pressure for infiltration is between 1.8 and 2.6 bar. Set the infiltration speed. Turn left to increase the speed. Minimal speed is 120 ml per minute and maximal speed is 360 ml per minute. Press security button. Flashing buttons are suggestions for the next step. Press preset button to filling the syringes. Lighted buttons show the active mode. Press purge button, then press on the pedal to start the purge. Check that there is no air in the tubing. If you notice air bubbles, check all the connections. Press on the infiltration button to start the operation. The control panel displays the quantity of infiltrated liquid by body zone, but also the total quantity of infiltrated liquid. Via the memory button and the up and down buttons, the user can move around the zones to see the quantity of liquid infiltrated in each zone and to see the total quantity infiltrated. It's highly recommended to hold the lipomatic lightly to avoid feeling the vibrations. When the infiltration process is over, remove the perfusion line from the lipomatic and unscrew the infiltration cannula. Set to on position the canister which will be used and check that the second is turned off. Connect the white nozzle of the fat tubing to the central connector of the lipomatic. Connect the green nozzle of the fat tubing to the canister lid. Screw the aspiration cannula on the lipomatic, assuring not to cross threads. Use the chuck key if necessary without forcing the screw thread. Select the aspiration mode button. Select the pedal or continuous mode. Adjust the air pressure. The recommended pressure for aspiration is between 2 and 5 bars. Set the air vacuum. Push on minus to increase the air vacuum. The minimal air vacuum is minus 0.1 bar and the maximal one is 0.9 bar. The system is ready to start the liposuction. When the first canister is filled, connect the fat tubing to the second canister by closing the first switch and opening the second one. When the procedure is over, unscrew the cannula. EVA SP6 cleaning. Switch the system off. Remove and dispose of all disposables in an appropriate bin. Clean the surface of the EVA SP6 with a disinfectant damp cloth. Clean machine must not be sterilized. Lipomatic cleaning. Soak the handpiece in disinfection liquid during at least 15 minutes. Rinse in clear water. Clean the lipomatic in hot soapy water by using an appropriate brush. Rinse the central axe in clear water. Screw the cleaning key on the lipomatic. Pump minimum 15 times with the T key while the 3 connectors are immersed in the hot soapy water. Repeat the operation in the hot clear water to rinse the engine. Unscrew and remove the T key. Use compressed air to dry the lipomatic engine. If compressed air is not available, you may use the air tubing left on the SP6 for this purpose. Use until the air going out is perfectly dry. Inject 0.5 ml of lipomatic oil into the eye connector. Use compressed air to spread the oil through the engine. Cannulas cleaning. Soak the cannulas in disinfection liquid during at least 15 minutes. Rinse with clear water. Put cleanser in the cannula. Soak the cannulas in hot soapy water during at least 30 minutes. Rinse in clear water. Inspect the cannula inside to check there is no obstruction. Use compressed air to dry the cannulas. Cannulas and lipomatic must be sterilized. Euromi company highly recommends an annual maintenance of your lipomatic and EVA SP6. Do not open or change the EVA SP6 and lipomatic. Use only accessories and disposables provided by Euromi company.